Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to teach you on how you can blur your background like this video you are watching. So this is where I create the video and I blur it to this. So I'm going to teach you practical step on how you blur your video using InShot. We are going to use InShot for this tutorial, and you can also use any of your any app of your choice, editing app of your choice to edit this type of video. But for this video, I'm going to be using InShot. Before I proceed, make sure you click that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and you can also repost or share to your WhatsApp status. Let's go, guys.
So what you have to do now is for you to go to Play Store and download InShot. So after downloading the InShot, you have to go to the app, the InShot. This is how the InShot look like. This is the InShot app here. So we're going to click on it, and we're going to click on video. You click on video and click on this plus icon here. Then we're going to choose the video you want to you want to blur the background. So as for me, I will be choosing let me choose one of this video here. I'm coming. Let me choose this one just for this tutorial. Then just choose any video. So after choosing the video, you click on this mark sign here. Then what you have to do now is for you to remove the InShot watermark. Click on this cancel icon. So and you click on free remove. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Subscribe, like the video. So after some seconds, the watermarks have been removed. As you can see this place, you will see InShot there before, but now there's no InShot there because of I've removed the watermarks. So what you have to do now is for you to scroll to the right hand side and click on effect. Click on effect. So after that, click on this AI effect. Then we are going to scroll to the right hand side and click on blur. Click on blur. Let me point the arrow. Blur. So we are going to choose this first. So we're gonna choose this first one. This one. So click on it. As you see, the background has been blurred just small, and we are going to drag this one. We drag it. Yes. Can you see the background has been blurred? Make sure you like this video. As you see, so the background has been blurred already. Have you seen it? Let me play the video. Just watch. Have you seen? The house has been blurred. There are many type of blurring stuff you can use. You can use this one too. Have you seen? You can use this one. There are many. You can use this one too. There are different type of blurring, but I recommend this one for you. The first one, the very first one. If you are doing like a video content like that, and you want to blur the background where you are shooting your content or any video, so you can just choose. You just use this first one here, and you just drag it. You drag the value, so it will be more attractive. So after that, you click on this mark sign here. So you click on it. And drag. You're gonna drag this one. You drag it or click on it like this and click on this video ending, or you can click on the clip end. So let's click the video ending. So it's going to, have you seen it? Yeah. So as you can see, this place is loading here, and you click on this sign here, click on it like this, and you can just export your video. Export. So you can just export it from there, but I don't need this this video on my phone. So after exporting, it's going to save directly to your gallery. Thank you very much.